everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Daily. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Alex, I feel like it's been a while since we did a really practical grammar episode.
It has, and today's topic is a big one. We're talking about conjunctions.
Ooh, conjunctions. Okay, for anyone listening who just thought, wait, what's a conjunction again? Don't worry, we're going to explain everything step by step from the very beginning.
Exactly. So if you're a complete beginner, stay with us. And if you already know a little bit, stay with us too, because we're going all the way up to intermediate level today.
So here's the big question. Why do conjunctions even matter? Well, think about it like this. Conjunctions are like the glue in English. They connect your ideas together.
Right. Without them, you just have short, choppy sentences, like, I am hungry, I want food, I don't have money. It sounds a little robotic, doesn't it?
A little bit, yeah. But with conjunctions, you can say, I am hungry and I want food, but I don't have money. See the difference?
Much smoother, much more natural. And that's really the goal today. We want you speaking English that flows, like a native speaker.
So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started.
Let's do it!
Okay, so before we explain any grammar rules, let's just have a normal conversation. Listen carefully. You're going to hear a lot of conjunctions naturally. Don't worry about catching every one. Just enjoy the conversation.
Sounds good. So, Emma, what did you do this weekend?
Oh, it was nice actually. I wanted to go hiking, but it started raining in the morning.
Oh no. So what did you do instead?
Well, I stayed home and I read a book because I didn't want to get wet.
That makes sense. I was going to call you, but I fell asleep on the sofa.
Classic Alex.
I know. Although, to be fair, I was really tired after work.
I believe you. So, are you free this weekend? If the weather is good, we could go hiking together.
Yeah, I'd like that. Although I should check my schedule first. I think I have plans on Saturday, but Sunday should be free.
Okay, perfect. While you check my schedule, I'll look at the weather forecast.
Sounds like a plan. Oh, and one more thing. Unless it's raining again, of course.
Right, unless it's raining again.
Great conversation. But did you notice how many little connecting words we used?
We did. Words like but, because, although, if, and while. Those are all conjunctions.
And now it's time to break them all down.
Okay, so let's start really simple. What exactly is a conjunction?
I'll let you take this one, Teacher Emma.
Okay. A conjunction is a word that connects two words, two phrases, or two sentences. That's it. That's the basic idea.
So it's a connector.
Exactly, a connector. And native speakers use conjunctions constantly because without them, our speech would sound very simple and very disconnected.
Right, like little short sentences with no flow.
Exactly. So there are three main types we're going to cover today: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Sounds complicated, but I promise it's not.
Let's start with the first one. Coordinating conjunctions. FANBOYS.
So, coordinating conjunctions connect two equal parts. Two words, two phrases, or two complete sentences that could stand alone.
And there's a really famous trick to remember them, right?
Yes, it's called FANBOYS. Each letter stands for one conjunction: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so.
Let's go through them one at a time.
Okay, first, and. We use and to add information. Example 1. I like tea and coffee. Example 2. She works hard and she is very kind. Example 3. We went to the store and bought some milk.
Simple enough. What's a common mistake with and?
Good question. Beginners often repeat and too many times in one sentence, like, I woke up and I brushed my teeth and I ate breakfast and I left. It sounds a bit childish.
Yeah, better to break that into shorter sentences.
Exactly. Next is but. We use but to show contrast, a difference between two ideas. Example 1. I like the shirt, but it's too expensive. Example 2. He is smart, but he is lazy. Example 3. She wanted to come, but she was sick.
So, but is like the opposite of and.
Sort of, yes, and adds similar ideas, but shows contrast.
What about or?
Or shows a choice between two options. Example 1. Do you want tea or coffee? Example 2. We can go by car or by bus. Example 3. You can call me or send a message.
Easy enough?
Now here's an interesting one. So. We use so to show a result. Example 1. I was tired, so I went to bed early. Example 2. It was raining, so we stayed inside. Example 3. She studied hard, so she passed the exam.
So, because and so are kind of opposite too, right?
Great observation, yes, because gives the reason and so gives the result. For example, I was tired because I worked all day. That's the reason. But I worked all day, so I was tired. That's the result. Same idea, different direction.
That's a really common confusion for learners.
It really is. Okay, next. Yet. This is similar to but a little more formal, and it often means despite that. Example. The plan was risky, yet it worked perfectly.
And nor?
Nor is used for negative choices, and it's less common in daily speech, but useful to know. Example. I don't like coffee, nor do I like tea. Notice the word order changes after nor. It's a bit advanced, so don't worry too much about it right now.
And finally, for?
For here means because, but it's very formal and mostly used in writing, not really in daily conversation. Example. She left early, for she was tired. In speaking, we'd usually just say because.
Great, so that's FANBOYS. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so.
Now let's talk about subordinating conjunctions. These connect a main idea with an extra idea that depends on it. That's why they're called subordinating, lower in importance.
Can you give an example first?
Sure. I stayed home because it was raining. Because it was raining can't stand alone as a complete sentence. It depends on the main sentence.
Got it. What are the common ones?
The big ones for beginners are because, although, if, when, while, and unless. Let's go one by one. Because gives a reason. Example 1. I'm learning English because I want a better job. Example 2. He was late because of traffic. Example 3. She smiled because she was happy.
Next, although.
Although shows contrast, similar to but it usually starts the sentence or connects two contrasting ideas more formally. Example 1. Although it was raining, we went outside. Example 2. She passed the test, although she didn't study much. Example 3. Although he's busy, he always answers my messages.
What's the difference between although and but then?
Good question. But connects two equal sentences in the middle. Although can start the sentence and shows the contrast a bit more strongly. Compare. It was raining, but we went outside, versus although it was raining, we went outside. Same meaning, different structure.
That makes sense. Next is if.
If introduces a condition. Example 1. If it rains, we will stay home. Example 2. If you study hard, you will pass. Example 3. I'll call you if I have time.
What about when?
When introduces a time. Example 1. When I arrived, she was already there. Example 2. Call me when you get home. Example 3. When it gets dark, we'll turn on the lights.
People sometimes confuse if and when, right?
Yes, very common mistake. If means it might happen, it's not certain. When means it will happen, it's just a matter of time. For example, if I go to the party, maybe I go, maybe I don't. But when I go to the party, I'm already sure I'm going.
That's a great distinction. Next, while.
While shows two things happening at the same time. Example 1. I was cooking while she was cleaning. Example 2. While you were sleeping, I finished the report. Example 3. She listens to music while she runs.
In the last one, unless?
Unless means if not. It's a negative condition. Example 1. I won't go unless you come with me. Meaning, if you don't come, I won't go. Example 2. Unless it rains, we'll have the picnic outside. Example 3. You won't pass unless you study.
So unless is basically if, not.
Exactly. That's the perfect way to remember it. Last category. Correlative conjunctions. These always come in pairs.
Give us some examples.
Sure. Both and, either or, neither nor, and not only but also. Example 1. She is both smart and kind. Example 2. You can either call me or text me. Example 3. He is not only talented, but also very hard-working.
What's a common mistake here?
Learners often forget to match the structure on both sides. For example, saying, she is either happy or she is sad. It's a little unbalanced. Better to say, she is either happy or sad, keeping the structure parallel and clean.
Good tip. Balance is key.
Exactly. And that's a wrap on our 3 conjunction types: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative.
All right, let's put this all into a real-life situation. Emma, you and I are co-workers now, and we're planning a project.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's do it.
So, Emma, have you finished the report, or do you still need more time?
I've almost finished it, but I need one more day because the client sent new information yesterday.
That's fine, although we should tell the manager so she knows about the delay.
Good idea. If she asks, I'll explain everything.
Perfect. While you're finishing the report, I'll start working on the presentation slides.
Sounds good. Oh, and unless something changes, we should be ready by Thursday.
I agree. Although, we might need extra time if the client asks for more changes.
True. Let's stay flexible. So, should we meet tomorrow morning, or would the afternoon be better?
Morning works for me, unless something urgent comes up.
Great. Let's plan for 9 a.m. then. And thank you for helping with the slides. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. That's what teammates are for.
Did everyone catch how many conjunctions we used there? Almost every sentence had one.
That's exactly how native speakers really talk in the workplace.
Okay, now it's time for one of my favorite parts. Alex is going to make some common mistakes, and I'm going to correct them.
Oh no. Okay, here we go. Mistake number 1. Although it was raining, but we went outside.
Good one. That's a very common mistake. You don't need both although and but in the same sentence. They do the same job. Just say, although it was raining, we went outside. Or, it was raining, but we went outside.
Got it. Mistake number 2. I won't go if you don't come with me, unless.
That's a mix-up. Just say, I won't go unless you come with me. Remember, unless already means if not, so you don't need to add if don't as well.
Makes sense. Mistake number 3. Because I was tired, so I went to bed.
Very common one. Again, because and so do similar jobs, so you only need one. Say either, because I was tired, I went to bed, or I was tired, so I went to bed.
Mistake number 4. She is either happy or sad or angry.
That one's actually okay in casual speech, but grammatically, either or is really meant for 2 options. For 3 options, it's more natural to say she is happy, sad, or angry.
Good to know. Last one. Mistake number 5. When I will arrive, I will call you.
Ah, yes, a classic one. After when in a future sentence, we don't use will in the first part. Just say, when I arrive, I will call you.
Great corrections, Emma.
Thanks, Alex, for making all those mistakes for us.
Anytime.
All right, listeners, time for a quick quiz. I'll read a sentence and you try to identify the conjunction. Ready?
Let's do it.
Question 1. I wanted to go, but I was too tired. What's the conjunction?
The answer is but.
Correct. Question 2. She stayed home because it was snowing. What's the conjunction?
The answer is because.
Exactly right. Question 3. Although he was nervous, he gave a great speech. What's the conjunction?
The answer is although.
Great job. Question 4. You can have tea or coffee. What's the conjunction?
The answer is or.
Perfect. And the last one, question 5. Unless you hurry, you'll miss the bus. What's the conjunction?
The answer is unless.
Wonderful! If you got all 5 correct, congratulations. You're really understanding conjunctions now.
And if you missed a few, don't worry. Listen to this episode again and it will get easier every time.
Okay, let's do a quick summary. Today we learned that conjunctions are connecting words that link ideas together.
We covered coordinating conjunctions, like the FANBOYS. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so.
We covered subordinating conjunctions. Because, although, if, when, while, and unless.
And we covered correlative conjunctions. Both, and, either, or, neither, nor, and not only, but also.
The best way to remember all of this is to practice speaking. Try making your own sentences using today's conjunctions, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes mean you're learning.
Exactly. Thank you all so much for listening to English Listening Daily.
In our next episode, we're covering English prepositions made easy, another topic that confuses a lot of learners, so don't miss it.
Make sure to subscribe so you never miss an episode.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.
Bye everyone! Take care and keep practicing!